Hi Sagittarius, this is your next 7 days reading. I am going to take the energies from the 10th of April to the 16th of April, what is coming to you in this time period. And this is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Sagittarius. And the old energies and the new energies, how they are going to pass through you, I'm going to talk about that. So, in your environment there is a very good energy, that is the energy of chariot. So the chariot comes when we are actually in some kind of struggle. The struggle is there, but the chariot tells us that we are very determined and we are very focused, and this energy of focus will come upon you, and you will start focusing on a certain goal, and you will be moving towards that. This could be a decision to move to a different place, this could be a decision to achieve a target, this could be you know good good what do you say ideal position in education, ideal position in a job. You will work towards that, so that what do you call, in Hindi we say jasba, so in English it means that you will get that passion inside of you, and you will be very focused on that goal, and you'll be determined to move towards that. So that is the energy which is influencing you this week. This is the good energy. This is telling us by the end of the journey you definitely achieve success, and that is what this chariot means, that you are going to align your forces towards one single agenda, and you are going to have a success. So whatever is on your mind, whether it is your personal relationship, whether it is your work situation or education or your health, whatever you want to conquer in this time period, energies will aid you, and the energy is of movement, moving forward. So whether physically or mentally, you are going to be supported by the universe. You can look towards the magician and the star card, they feel like this. So what should I consider? That there is a little bit of um, deficiency of the energy of star and magician. So this means you have these energies around you. So the magician is of communication, magician is of having great communicative ideas. Magician is something about launching new things or starting to produce new things, and you are smarter than others, or you uh, fructify your dreams. You want to do it, but sometimes execution is stopped. So that's why it felt like this. And the star energy is about hope, so you could be losing a little bit of hope in the beginning of the week with the Four of Cups. That's why the star fell like this. So angels are saying these energies are around you. The magician, that is of communication, that is of connection, that is of fructifying dreams, manifestation, and the star is about hope and future fulfillment. So all these energies are here, but you are somehow feeling the Four of Cups, that is feeling a little sad about situations or bored about the whole situation. But let me tell you, if you are on the path of finishing a project, or in the path of finishing your semester, or you are on the path of finishing one position in one job, and you have almost gotten a new job, do not lose your cool, do not lose your head, because there is a devil energy around you. So the devil energy is bad habit, devil energy is distraction, devil energy is too much ambition, devil energy is dependence on others. So what is that bad energy that is not letting you move forward? Identify that, otherwise anything built on false situations, false foundation, will give you a surprise jolt. So basically, you are somehow managing a situation with the Two of Pentacles. So angels are saying that if you do not take action, there can be a tower moment, and that is because of this devil energy which is around you. This is a temptation, distraction, this is a fear, this is a too much dependency on someone. So this can affect you in this week, but angels are saying with the presence of emperor here that you will be putting your priorities straight. You are going to focus on discipline this week. So finally a deadline kind of situation has arrived. So some of you are nearing an exam, some of you are nearing a presentation in office, some of you are nearing a project. So time is not there to waste. There is no time to waste. So basically with the emperor card, Sagittarius, you have to put your ducks in a row. You have to prioritize what is important for you, because a big situation is arriving and you need to take control of your life at this time. So in a love situation, this means that you have to forget about too much codependency, because that creates toxic atmosphere. If you are not taking care of health, if you are addicted to something, you have to stop that, because you have been doing fine somehow with the Two of Pentacles. If it is a two relationship, you have to make sure that you make some sacrifice with the Hangman card. So you have to sacrifice the temptation, the toxicity, the dependency, and the things that fetter your feet, that chains you to a situation. You have to leave that with the Hangman energy. It is, in any case, it is going to finish. So temperance will come to you in this time period, because you are going to take control with the Emperor card, or someone who ensures values, or someone like a father figure, boss figure, is going to make sure that you follow the path, you follow a system in this time period, and there is going to be a temperance in your energy. So there is going to be patience coming to you to deal with situations, and you will very soon, in terms of your health, this temperance card can mean that you are going to get better. You are going to fall back into a balanced situation that will make you satisfied, content, and it will heal you, and it is going to bring in some good news, or it is going to bring back the enthusiasm that you were missing in the beginning of the week when we are starting. So as we end the week, what we are going to see is your strength coming here. Strength is going to help you. Strength is going to give you compassion. Strength is going to give you vigor. Strength is going to give you patience. Strength is going to give you the strength to, restrain yourself from temptations, and you will be able to face your fears. If you are fearing a situation, with the Ace of Swords, you are definitely going to succeed in a chaos. There is going to be victory here with the Ace of Swords, whatever may be happening in your situation. So chaotic situations can happen in this week. So there is a tower energy around you, which will be caused by the temptation. So there can be a problem, there can be some jolt that you are going to get because of your fear, or because of some temptation or codependency. You are going to go through a jhatka in Hindi, a jolt in English, a shake up, and you are going to get back to balance, get back to healing, get back to that idea of focusing on what is more important to you in this time period. So with the Seven of Wands, you will be like a warrior, you will be called to action, you will be a little unprepared, but you are going to manage, you will be safe, you will be on the higher ground. Some of you are in a ten of cups situation. So ten of cups situation could be, getting the best of the best in life, getting the best things for your family, getting your dreams come true. So you could be called to action and you could be a little unprepared, but you are going to be in a safe place fighting hard to achieve 10 of cups in this time period. So this could be a call for promotion, this could be a call for upgrade, this could be something you can achieve. It is almost in your grip and you are going to perform. So why I am saying you are going to perform? Because there is Chariot and it is coming again, because you are a Queen of Wands, because you are bold, because you are smart, because you have the determination to grab opportunities and convert them. You have gone through difficulties. I know that you have gone through this nine of wands. You are almost, at the dead end. You have gone through rejection, selection, trial and error. Finally, with the Queen of Wands, you are going to succeed. Why? Because there is the presence of Sun. So Sun is your outcome, and it is saying everything, every difficulty that you are going through, you are going to make way towards the light, you are going to be washed with the sunlight, you are going to be washed and given this recovery energy. You are going to recover, you are going to reset, you are going to get attention, name and fame. You are going to be very, very happy, joyful, and you will be in great health. So Sun is aiding you, Chariot coming again. So your focus, your determination, your that will to move forward will finally come in to rescue you from any temptation or distraction you are in. So your card is from the Angels of Abundance is block out distractions. So this is what fell for you. So I can't believe this, because the reading is exactly what it is saying. It is saying your life purpose and other priorities need your undivided attention. So it's time for you to take charge of your schedule and working environment by turning off electronics and avoiding anyone or anything that distracts you from what's important. You already know what these distractions are, and you have the power to responsibly block them out. So block out distractions is what is the main story here, because this is what is coming for you. So you will be finally listening to the inner guidance, or with the High Priestess and the Hierophant, you will be listening to your inner self. Your intuition will be very strong, and also you will get outside advice. You will get this whatever the way you have been brought up, or the lessons you have learned from the past, all the outer knowledge and the inner knowledge will be balanced in this time period, which is going to push you forward and make you the leader, the bigger hero with the King of Wands energy. So this is great energy in the future. So this is what is going to happen. This is what is coming to you, Sagittarius, this week. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal reading. And if you have liked this reading, please do share it with others. Please do subscribe to the channel. This is Tarot Priestess 1313. This space is free. This is somewhere I put your readings periodically, mostly within a week, and you can get your guidance. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.